Hi, I'm Marie.
And I'm Paula.
We're here with our Cranium Critters. We use Cranium Critters to help kids understand their brains and to manage their emotions.
Scout keeps an eye on our emotions from the amygdala, while Einstein helps us think and solve problems from his executive office in the prefrontal cortex.
This fun little glitter jar can serve as a tool to help us understand what happens to Einstein's clear thinking when big emotions take over Scout's control center.
Let's turn this toy into a teaching tool.
Right now, the mind jar is clear and easy to see through. The glitter is settled at the bottom.
That's kind of like how our minds work. Our emotions are like the glitter. When we are settled, we think clearly and do our best problem solving.
But watch what happens when we shake up the mind jar. What happens when big emotions fill up our mind?
When our brain becomes overwhelmed with emotion, we can't think clearly. It's like the Scout part of the brain has taken over and we can't access Einstein's helpful hoots and problem-solving ideas.
That's right. And that's why people may say or do things when they get frustrated or angry that they wouldn't say when they're feeling calm. Oh, and something else? Emotions can be contagious. So that means when the Scout part of one person's brain starts to bark,
it can upset the Scout part of someone else's brain. When that happens, nobody is thinking clearly. And now, what do we do?
Well, first of all, it's important to take a break. We pause, we breathe, and we wait for our emotions to settle. When Scout is feeling calm, we will be able to think clearly again.
This is a great tool for the pause place, a calming corner where kids can take a moment to breathe and let their minds clear.
And if you're interested in a full lesson and a lesson plan for using the mind jar as a teaching tool, visit our website or check out our Teachers Pay Teachers page.
And join us again for more ways to turn toys into tools.